let me walk you through the trade I took on Gbpnzd and Eurnzd. So remember, I always tell you to stick to one thing. It is very, very important. Stick to one thing, no matter the results. If it hits TP, fine. If it hits SL, fine. Just stick to one strategy. You can see market is pushing to the downside until there was a market structure shift. Market is breaking structure to the downside. You can see series of break of structure to the downside, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, until price breakout from this recent lower high. After price breakouts, I waited for price to tap into my demand zone, and I had other confluences intact, like my fair value gap and my liquidity. So after price tapped into it, I zoom down to the lower time frame for my confirmation, and you can see a beautiful trade here. A beautiful trade of almost 1:5, 1:4.91. That is almost 1:5. So I also took the same trade on Euro NZD. In trading, it's not always you not you every time. It's not every day, not be Christmas. My put am like that. Sometimes you go still chop stop loss. So you can see multiple break of structure to the upside, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, until price breakout from this recent higher low. So you can see my liquidity and even my fair value gap was intact here. So price tapped into my origin and even gave me confirmation. So after price tapped into my origin, then gave me confirmation, I entered this trade, then boom, stop loss hits. So in forex, yes, losses is part of the game, but your profit should be more than your losses. This week was very slow. You can see consolidation everywhere in currency pair, but I still managed to end the week with profits. Yes, I still managed to end the week with profit despite all the losses. Yes, I also took a BTC trade, but that one was just a quick scalp. So that's why I did not. That one just was just a quick scalp. But these are most of the trade I held. So thank you for watching this video, and for more updates like this, don't forget to follow me up.